Open the door normally. Because the washer dryer all-in-one machine can only put half volume clothings of the drum's capacity. Then put half of the clothes and close the door. Then put half of the clothes and close the door. Put half the clothes in it because you need to use the drying function. Then it shows standby program 01. Then just press the start button to run it. And then it showed on 35 cm. Then the running time starts to count down. Then the N here stands for the neutral wire. You need to connect the neutral wire N and also connect the 3 live wires. You need to take apart this back cover. Do you see it? Doesn't it have an angular iron here? You have to remove this angular iron. There is one on the left and one on the right. Do you see this? That angular iron. Then this is to connect the drain pipe. Then this is to connect the water inlet pipe. Then mechanical grease need to be injected here once a month for daily maintenance.